Okay, in this video we're going to see how to set up an account on WordPress.com, a free site online, as opposed to the downloadable WordPress.org, open source, where you can work from your own test server online by connecting through your Apache and MAMP. This WordPress.com has a free site which we'll use, but you can also upgrade to a paid site for a few more features, especially if you want to actually publish this website. You can choose your own URL. So first thing we're going to do is go to WordPress.com. Now you may get several different type of landing pages. You can go to start your website, or we can go to get started. You'll enter an email address, username, and password. I'm going to go ahead and enter those and see on the other side. After you enter those, it'll come to this spot. We can do any of these. I'm going to do blog. I'm going to do technology. Continue. Okay, we'll give some suggestions. We're going to give this a name. I'm going to call mine Future Bright. Continue. Enter a keyword. Future technology. Let's let me do Future Bright again. See what happens. And it's going to give me some suggestions. We have some of the paid ones they want you to purchase, but we're going to stick with a free one here. I'm going to do a screenshot of that so I don't forget it. Select. I'm just going to try to get you to upgrade, but no, you can if you want, but I'm going for the free one. Okay, so now we got our site ready to go. We can click here, and that's what it looks like. Now, with WordPress, we have a couple different levels of things we can change. This is WordPress.com. We have 2 levels of pages. So if I want to adjust those, I can go to my site. We have pages. Those are your main pages, like a home page, contact page, about page. Then we have posts. Posts are like your articles or your different topics you're covering. They'll have their own page, but the beginning of this post and a featured image from that post will also appear on the home page. So a viewer can go to the home page, like a cover of a magazine, see your different posts or articles, and click on them. And of course, you can always navigate back to any of the other fixed pages. Those are pages and posts. And you can add as many posts as you want. We'll add a couple. Media. Now, if you have some images prepared, you can add some images here. Or you can add them through the actual posts or pages when you make those. I can add a few images. I'm going to add some images. Add new. Classic images from the movie Metropolis, the old silent dystopian future robots take over the world type movie. And give them a second to upload. Now you can also upload some of your own sound files, video files, other things like that. Now these are not in any pages right now, but I can always access these later. Now before we go too much further, let's take a look at one of the pages. Let's go to the home page. And see how it looks. And we can preview it and see what it looks like in the actual browser, or visit the site to see the real site. Now this has some placeholder images, placeholder text, and we can change all these. And close this. Go back. Alright, so let's go to design and see some of the things we can change. Now this comes with a preset layout and what's called a theme. But there's also a lot of other themes you can choose from. There's some preloaded here that are free. You could search for some different types of themes. You can see all. You can see all the free or all the premiums. Now the premiums you can pay for. Now WordPress has a large community of developers that make themes, different elements or plugins and widgets for these pages that you can purchase Some are for free, some cost you a little bit. Right? So you can find the website you think you would want to use. I think I may want to use this one, info, and it can tell you some of the basic things that would be able to be added to this page or used in this page. And this one is free, so I can activate this design for free and customize the site. Now it's loading the customizer. Another way we can get to the customizer is right through here, themes and customize. Now when you select a new theme and activate it, does not to get rid of your content, but it could rearrange it in some unexpected ways. Alright, so let's customize this as much as we can. We can add a logo if you want. Sometimes it shows up here, maybe to the side over here. Site title, Future Bright. Tagline is like a slogan. Bright with technology and design. Display that, that's fine. You can select the site icon, which would be a favicon. And if I'm happy with that, I can say publish and go back. Menus. Now this will not let me edit my menu until I confirm my email address, so I'll go ahead and do that real fast. Okay, now I've activated that account through my email, so now I can have full access to the features, to the free features. Menu, it's going to be my primary menu. I can create a menu. I can call this main menu. This can be my primary menu. Next, I can add some different items. For this menu, I can add my home page. And I can do a blog feed. Give it a custom link. And I think I'm good as I create my other pages. I can click here so they automatically are added to my menu here at the top. About page, contact page, pages like that. I can publish this. Go back and do some more changes. You can add more menus if you want, some in the footer, sidebar, whatever. I could adjust some CSS, but for that you'd have to upgrade. Widgets, there's all kinds of cool things I can add, and we'll talk more about that later. We can do audio, archives, blog stats, calendars, anything like that. We'll come back later and do some of those. Homepage settings. My homepage is going to have my blog feed on it. I could make it a static page and put my blog feed to a different page, but I think I'm going to leave it like this. It seems to work well. And I can close that. That was in the customize. That was site identities, menus, CSS widgets, and homepage settings.